Hey everyone, today's video is on how to sell Safemoon. My previous video was on how to buy Safemoon, and this video is intended for, the paper hands at the moment, the people who want to sell and make the $100 or $200 profit. Me, on the other hand, I do consider myself a diamond hand holder. I don't plan on selling this until it reaches, at minimum, half of a penny, and that's what I'm comfortable with. This video could also be intended for people who, say, from a year from now, have met that goal, that selling goal, and would like to reference this video for future uses. So before we get started, please click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a clean and nice comment in the comment section. Leave any questions you might have, and I'll respond to them all. All feedback is good feedback. So what I will be doing will walk you through the process of selling it. You'll kind of remember from my previous video that a lot of these processes seem similar, and they are, and there's just a little switch to this process. So we are going to click on D-Apps or Browser if you have an iOS device, and we will scroll down and click on Pancake Swap. This page should look familiar. If it doesn't, click on the hamburger and click on Exchange, and you should be on this page. So we are going to click the From box, and we are going to search for Safemoon. Since we purchased this previously and we did add our address from purchasing it, we don't have to go through that cryptocurrency market process of copying the address and pasting it here. We have it as a favorite, but if you don't have this and you did forget, let's go through that process quickly. Open up your internet browser, and you'll be directed to Safemoon, or you could search in the right hand corner. Since we already have it up, we'll click on Links. We'll click on BSC Scan. We will scroll down and copy this contract and go back to Pancake Swap, and you'll paste it over here and it'll come up. So I will not be selling, but for this video I'll show you. So you would put the amount you'd like to sell and the type of currency you would like to receive instead. Personally, I would like to have it transferred to BNB Smart Chain, since this can be used for any purchases of cryptocurrency using Pancake Swap. You would click Approve Safemoon, and if you have sufficient funds, you would click Complete Transaction. Currently mine is grayed out, it says insufficient Smart Chain BNB balance, but I am not selling, and that's the reason why I have that value. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please share the video. And if you have any suggestions for future videos of this nature, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching my video, and have a wonderful day.